Alright, what's going on, everyone? So I'm just making this quick video on how to start running cryptocurrency ads on Facebook, because obviously they've been banning them for quite a while now. So I think like yesterday or the day before, they've decided to unban crypto ads. But the only way you can get in is if you fill in this application and you send it through. So I'm just going to go through this application, and I'm going to drop the link to this application in the comment section if you want to, if you actually want to apply for it. So I'm just going to walk through it real quick, just in case you want to run cryptocurrency ads. I don't really need to myself, but I know a lot of people do want to do them. And also the thing is, I actually know a couple ways to get like tons of traffic with crypto, because obviously not really many people can actually target these interests since they've been banned for like the past 2 years or so. So if you're interested in like, if I should make a video on how to get like good traffic from crypto, just leave a comment and I should be able to do that soon. But so let's go through the first thing. So it does ask for quite a few documents. So the first thing, obviously, what you're applying for. So obviously, if you're selling courses and stuff, you're gonna want to go for education. If you've actually got a cryptocurrency and you wanna start selling that to people, then you can do that. But ICOs are not allowed, so you can't do ICOs. Industry news. So this is like blogs. If you're gonna run traffic to blogs, or you just wanna build an email list, you can do that, or some other content, whatever you want to do. But also try and fill this out, because obviously with all these kind of applications, you want to give them as much detail as you can, because I think these are going to be like, these are probably manually reviewed. So try and fill out as much here as you can. And then you just select your ad account. You can do that. So if you haven't created an account, you can make one. Otherwise, you can just select one right here. Please provide the website domain name. Alright, so you just put a link to your website. And then they also ask you for licenses. So obviously, if you have your own cryptocurrency and all that stuff, they ask you for a license. So if you got one, or you want to apply for one and then you want to give one, you can do that as well. And you can just upload them right here. And then it asks you, is your company traded in a public stock exchange? You can do that as well. And then obviously you just give the information. Just try and give as much information as you can, so that they can accept you straight away without any issues. Any additional information? So here, press release. So obviously here's where you're going to want to link blog articles and stuff like that. So if you have your own cryptocurrency, you're going to want to link to all the blog articles, Reddit posts, YouTube videos, all that stuff, to show them that you're legit. Alright, so you're going to want to put all those links here to show, and obviously give like a little description for each link, so they understand what each link is about. So you might say, alright, this is someone reviewing our cryptocurrency, this is someone buying it, this is someone trading it, this is information on how it works, this is the technology behind it, and give links to everything. It says optional, but trust me, you're going to want to put it in. And give as many files as you can as well. Obviously don't overdo it, but keep it concise. So try and do all this. Worst comes to worst, if you don't get accepted, leave a comment and give some information on what you did and all that stuff. But worst comes to worst, you can actually call them up. So you can actually reach out to support. Alright, so support.facebook. Let me go on there right now. No, it's Google, right? Oh my days. Wait. Google. Facebook. So I'm actually typing with the one hand because I got my mouse on the other. Wait. Support. You should be able to come right here. They used to have like a phone number you could call up. Facebook ads. I'm gonna put Facebook ads support just in case. And then you can try, if you do have the number, then just call them up just in case you don't get accepted, and you can just ask them like that. Or worst case comes to worst, go to the support section in your personal Facebook profile account and just email them. Yeah, because the thing is, actually look, JavaScript enabled, here we go. So this is the support center, and I'll link to this below as well. So choose the topic you need help with, click to do answer, or our support team. So I'll link this in the comment section as well. This is worst comes to worst, you can have to chat to them, because at the end of the day they just have to like click a button to get you approved. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I'm gonna keep the video short. This is all there is. I'm gonna put the links down below if you want to get access to this. If you want more information like if I should make more videos on like how to get traffic from crypto, like cheap traffic on Facebook. If you're interested in that, just drop a comment. But yeah, this is the application. Just fill in ASAP. You can start selling courses. You can start building email lists, all that stuff pretty easily. But yeah, peace out and speak soon.